guess I'm still before the same court, and I had indicated that I can communicate in English.
A1, English, sir. Afandola, which language? English. And Ra, English. Lutale, which language?
Yes. You are number 2.
So in army, a soldier must follow his fellow soldier. English. And the Besigye and Lutale, the lawyers are known. But Captain Ola, you have the right to be with lawyers. And we have the lawyer of the army, Captain Subuga. It is your choice. If you have your money, go a lawyer from outside, but Fande Subuga and his team, they are paid by the state. So, do you want to use Fande Subuga, the lawyer of the state, or you want to hire your own lawyers?
I would intend to get other lawyers, but for the meantime,
For the moment, we hope to use Captain Subuga. Lastly, this is the panel of the judges who will hear your case. Look at them carefully. If you have any objection to any of the members, you will say so. But if they put the reason why, I'm starting with you, Fande Besigye. Do you have any objection to any of the members?
I don't know who the members are. I know who they are before I raise an objection or otherwise.
They are here. Look at them carefully. Captain Ola.
Mr. Chairman, this may go to the issue of names, ranks, introducing the panel. Really, I do think that is where we are. Because you can't just say, look at them. What if you don't know someone? The requirement is actually to the names be read out and all that.
We have been informed that the panel is beyond the ones who are seated. So we need to know who all of them are.
we can provide the list of the panel to your defense lawyers.
The question I've been asked is whether you object or not. You cannot object to what I don't know.
I think that will not waste your time. You can start, you say, General Freeman, the chairman, and all other members. If we have a result, those will be.
Is that what you are talking about? Forget the General Robert Freeman, Chair General Commercial.
Major Richard Triagwe, I'm a member.
Captain Abdallah Sajawaraba, member. Warrant Officer 1, Mr. Robert Mirali, member.
Major Sarasoko, member.
Lieutenant Colonel Sam Dungura, political commissar, member.
Captain Marian Akandinda, member.
Warrant Officer 1 of Yabo Department.
I didn't hear what he said.
Captain Christina Tumwesaini, member.
Please, I didn't hear what he said.
Warrant Officer 1 for Yabo Department.
Now, question is back to you. We have any objection? Any of the members have introduced themselves?
Does the court have more members than have been introduced? Because if they do, we want to know all the members of the court, whether they are here or whether they are not here, so that we can object or not object, since they are interchangeable.
That's right, Colonel. It is Colonel Okarebo who have not seen him today, and it is Captain Nekore.
I think, sir, on our proceedings, the key issue is that the court is composed of 7 members. We have the members themselves, they are present, and the court is clearly constituted. So we'll go ahead on the next stage of responding to the questions.
Mr. Chairman, the assumption then is that the members of the panel, as duly established today, and those the 2 results, will not change, because our clients are objective or not objective to the ones who have been introduced. The request that is made that will be a constant panel.
Exactly, that is how it will be.
Right? Mr. Chairman,
Yeah, I have it.
the court makes the pronouncement.
Yes, it will be like that.
Also, like,